again. This be celebrity yawa. Another yawa drop. Be something they can't talk you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. And this be celebrity yawa. Today the yawa will come there, it be more than. I swear. Charlie, chop them see. What you go do be say, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It be too much GH. Subscribe. Any trending news be our way to go on. You go be the first person. Make you not make anyone overtake you. Subscribe am. You subscribe and pay, you go get notification. Any video be how you go drop, you go get notification for top, so that you go what? You go watch, so that you go laugh, then you go relax and things, then you go know what they go on. Right now, what today street talk. If I talk street topper, you be what? Social media, because you be what? Celebrity yawa. The thing be say, Papa Kumasi has warned Shata about Kumerican trends. It not be easy. The guy pour off. The way he pour, he thought say Shata, you sure they do that thing. Sure they take the what? The Kumerican trend. No, sure cry. Why everything be you want to take Kumasi this one, you want to take Kumasi the machine. That what? That what Papa Kumasi the talk. He say Shata want to take the machine. Shata for sure that thing. He be yawa. You Shata Ghanaian the talk say he say he be Kolebona Godfather. Why they can't do Kumerican and you go do tracks? Ghanaian the talk say the track it be bomb. If you bomb cry, you won't do like if you hip hop and things, the raga and things. They say the song, they you know they go on. That was Ghanaian talk. If they talk, some nigga beat they talk. We are the spy. If they say, hey, you Shata movement, they catch you. They go beat you. They say, oh, forget them. They be my parties. And they buy weed 1 cedi. I say, hey, you will get problem. You they buy weed 1 cedi, give them. Hey man, yo, me I don't go talk. Me I don't want problem. If you what the nigga talk. So, Papa Kumasi talk say, Shata, Sean, they involve yourself. Shata, so me, Flambo, they talk say, me, I don't go talk anything, but me, I go fit talk something, hey, but me too, what are they talk? I tell her, I know they fear them. If it's something where they talk, become to be Ghanaian. They say, the Kuma stars, and they go pass that thing talk. Make them shine, they go bring them a music, people go see them a talent, then things. That's what Papa Kumasi talk. Papa Kumasi talk that thing. Papa Kumasi too, I'm not sure say you get sense. If someone get talent and things are what they go do be say they go pass that thing top, make their talent pay. Nah. You know be that American thing we no go pass top. You get talent, I get talent. All be say for focus them write better lyrics. You do better lyrics way you go correct sound engineer there. You know be any engineer way you go there way they give beat. I tell like conco things then things all they do they make noise. You go make your mind all they blow. They hear songs but you tell like they hear drums, they hear concord things. So Papa Kumasi, the what you talk no, it be non-fan. That's what Ghanaians make a talk. When me to a talk, it be what? Non-fan. The thing where another thing where they go on for the street talk. If I talk street talk, people your mind say it be what? It be what social media because it be what? Celebrity yawa. What did they go on be say some yawa become? Some celebrities be do yawa big time. The yawa way you do no. People they talk for social media, it trend that thing. Make I show you. Make I take show you. You say top celebrities have been scammed by fake UN celebrities. The people where they like they say they scam them, Belamundi they inside, the black they inside, Sarkodie they inside and things. It no be easy where the awards so they say it be what? It be awards will be excellence award where they take give people where they impact life. Can't see something. When the doctor unfortunately the more way they give the award no. Ghanaian people they talk say they hold PhD for doctorate inside. The doctor. Where some you sound also be rapper. More go spy in rap song no. It be village rap, I swear. Hey! The rap way rap I don't know say hey Dr. Pan if you rap like this. I don't know say it tell like the carbon it tell like I don't want to talk, it be something, it be what Ghanaians say it be what Ghanaian people they watch but they laugh on low key. They laugh and look, say what they do there, it be non-fan, things where they do. So you come now, where you start the rap. More goes by the rap now.
In the score and I can't break through. Think about how I break through, be a hero of the world. Memories yesterday hold me on and on, I can't move. You made me strong in the process for nations with your wisdom. Architecture strong, gonna change a true story of the world, baby. Nations for the
rap when you go spy, go see what you do. And right now, to know, the award, they take giving them Opana. If I talk Opana, you know Sarkodie. Sarkodie take the award, no, you can't caption for what? Instagram. No be me, it be something that they can't read. See, in this, they can't really show you, see, He said what? Sarkodie caption. The award. Sarkodie caption. He said a great honor to receive the 7th Global Leadership Service to Humanity Award. Rest in peace to a great son of the land, Mr. Kofi Annan. Your legacy is still alive. That was Sarkodie. You go Sarkodie in page topper, you go see. You take the award now. You post and we cash in that in this. Sarkodie do am now where Ghanaians come. He said, "Oi! If it this way, he said, global doing this and this, no. But Ghanaians man come up say, they go do investigation. They go do investigation. I mean, no say Ghanaians there, the mamaka there. They go say, Kofi Annan award because they insist Kofi Annan dey UN. They go do investigation and things where they say that thing, no. It be trick, it be something where you know they come up for anything. Then do and they talk away the black to come inside. If the black come inside, they can't talk say, you go the black in Twitter topper, you go see. If be them and they read because they scam them, Charlie, the blacks have ball. I can't talk you what Ghanaians talk, you go laugh, make a read them tweets, you go see. He say what? The black can't talk say, Ghanaian people ever say we no go like read or what? LOL. When did it say it was a United Nations award? Or as you see Kofi Annan's image and the see the blacks are the PGs have you don't know what they rap. See what he rap. The PG if you don't know so you know go feel rap PG. Rebel. You rebel, you go understand. You do body PG. You know they say me I be the PG lord. If you don't want rap PG, come on there, I will show you the black. You rap that thing on where Ghanaians ball. Ghanaians boss say you know they deserve that award. That award, you know what he impact? Ghanaians say you make him stomach big like something. He be food somewhere, they chop where they flat for a room inside. So they send the entire head way, you know they feel rapping lyrics. You know they feel give us good song. I say, you be the black boy, you know the way you give us sell. Then things where they take party, then things say Ghanaians they talk. Ghanaians they talk, oh, the black no they feel give us any better song. So as far as I say, Ghanaians go feel raise you now they take you come down bush. But I dey abuse Ghanaians, I dey abuse you. I dey abuse the black. I attach something for the music industry inside. You attach something. I'm not sure say you attach something. I'm not sure cra. Where the person where they go take go in top banana man and one. They go take go in top. Nana man and one say India. They send out images, messages that things. He say he see now. I don't know say Nana man and one. That black thing where they in here. You be what? You be third eye or something. I don't know. He say he see. When you swap them July inside, you go in there, you be so you talk. He say July inside where you swap them cry away, you no mind them. So you come now where you come talk say me, this and this. So the number one say you know day inside. That thing you know day inside. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. All you have to do is just to subscribe to the YouTube page. If it too much GH. You don't subscribe our own Charlie, you be make your one because all the trending news where they go on, anything where they go on, you go hear from here first. So make sure say you go subscribe them so that everything will go on give you. That's what I want to talk you. That's what I want to talk you. Make love lead. Love be the answer. Love be the key. Make no scam any brother man be. If you be red, I talk say you be red. If you blue or blue, that's what it for do so that everything will go on pepe. Stay blessed.
The major prophet Chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu monyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura